Breaking the wall of data center heat waste. Federico Giulio, Falling Walls Lab, Italy.
Thank you for the introduction and good morning, everyone. I would like to start this speech by showing to you this image in which you can see me with some friends of mine at San Siro Stadium in Milan, Italy. And keep in mind that this image has been generated using artificial intelligence, starting from a real photo. And the generation of this kind of image requires a lot of energy, even higher than the energy that is required to fully charge a smartphone. And of course, you can imagine that this huge quantity of energy generates a lot of heat that must be correctly dissipated in order to avoid the failure of the electronic components in a data center. But unfortunately, nowadays, the standard cooling methods at one limit the computational capacity and at the same time are not environmentally sustainable. Indeed, the cooling accounts for at least the 40% of the total power consumption in a data center. And this is not sustainable. So, our idea to break the wall of data center heat waste is to use a thermoelectric cooler to cool down the electronic components in a data center. A thermoelectric cooler, like the one that you can see in my hand now, is basically a solid-state device without moving part, so it is noiseless and low maintenance cost, and moreover, it is scalable, so we can localize the cooling, and it is a well-known technology that displays a long-term stability, up to 25 years at least. Our idea is to make a thermoelectric cooler based on silicon nanowires. We are already able to prepare this kind of unique structure that is composed just by silicon nanowire, that is not only efficient, but also scalable and reliable. With this solution, we can couple the advantages of silicon in terms of geoabundancy and no toxicity with the advantages of nanostructuration that can significantly enhance the cooling performance of the material. Theoretically, with this strategy, we can increase the CPU computational efficiency by the 30%, and at the same time, we can make data center more sustainable with a total power consumption reduction by the 20%. That's all, and thank you very much for your attention.